Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Myntri Rangbah kasor karjala ukandet ke sangma haga khandai terik benai nai wing arajar arpoar ulayo ban Plie patba ya ke C&Rd block kabathama ya ke balaktip kum ke Rambrai C&Rd block Rambrai ya kate ke si ke banong ke jingsa kan mawi ki patba jogo than Rambrai la sakhi lang ru do MLA ke Rambrai ba kim farmer benyang UMDC ke Rambrai ba jok pingrop UMLA ke Noston ba Macmillan Bersan USC Sadu director C&Rd block UDC ke West Khasi Hills bat ki hajar ngot ki patba nong shong shnong kate ke than bat ki wei
Nas nong komen bandon bat pi banle men bat bisa minta kasni ya ka jingple ya ka C&Rd block ka Rambrai kum chief minister ka jilla Meghalaya ringkat ba MLA ba MDC jongpi nila pundek ya ka kaba nila kulor kumba pila angno arne ka sinjam kanwanra karoy kapar badbon batki jingkurku yaki shnong apoka Rambrai C&Rd block. It is not just the C&Rd block, but there are many more programs that are combined along with this program. But before I get into the other programs, I would like to share with you that the government of Meghalaya, this MPP-led government, this NDA government, has always been committed towards serving the people of our state. We have always maintained that we will keep people first in every decision that we take. We have promised the people that for us, we will ensure that we bring administration closer to the people, and not just bringing administration closer to the people, we will ensure that the administration works in a much more efficient manner to bring better governance to our people. It may take us a few weeks to get the system in place. It may take us a few months to get all the services rolled out. But I can assure you, and I would also like to urge the BDO, I would like to urge the C&Rd department, and I would like to urge the Deputy Commissioner to ensure that the Rambrai C&Rd block becomes fully functional with all infrastructure that is required and the manpower required so that the people of this area can get the complete service of a full and functional block. At the same time, I would like to inform you that we are making changes in some of the administration functioning of subdivisions and blocks also. One of the most important decisions that we will be taking and doing is that we will be opening accessibility for application of different certificates, which normally happens in subdivisions because the ADCs are required to process it. We are going to work towards changing the rules so that people can make application for certificates at the block level itself. And hence you won't have to travel to subdivisions. The process might take place in subdivision and the certificate may be issued by the subdivision, but the people of the region and the area will not have to travel to subdivisions only just because they have to apply for a certificate. We will try to make it as fast as possible that the applications can be done even in the block offices. This we feel will be a major benefit for the people of our state.